Everything y'all do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything y'all to go across the street that way, I'm going up. I'll let your boy. I do other things.
Praise to the Most High. Praise when I walk in a room because I'm too fly. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jaden Raja Wave. I'm back with another video, and today I'm happy to do this unboxing video. It's a lot of new stuff I've been getting, and I just been waiting to like show y'all that I got. It's a couple things I didn't even unbox yet because I'm really showing y'all like I'm really authentic with this. Like I'm really gonna have like real life reactions right now in a real moment, you know? So we're gonna get to that, and yeah, but y'all already know by now we gotta get to the fit check. So we're gonna start with the top right now with the nice little trucker, you feel me? Last year being broke trucker, you know, it's a wild hair day, so you know it's no bad hair day when you got good hair, so it's a wild hair day, so you know I'm doing my thing. Then I got the Italian hoodie straight from Italy. Shout out my boy Daryl, love you 100 times, my boy, feel me? And on the pants shit now, you know, light shit, and y'all already know what's on the feet. Yeah, bro, these UGG slippers. But now let's really get into it. Alright, for this first box that I'm about to unpackage, I kind of opened it. I didn't look at the whole package yet, but I did open it up a little bit just to get a like sneak peek. So now I'm about to show y'all what's in the box. So if rip, you already see where it's going right now. Telfar. Y'all don't even know, bro. This the one I've been waiting to unbox. Whew. I couldn't wait for this. Bro, I don't want to break it. Okay. Damn, bro. Alright. What's in this bag? I've been waiting to see. Yo, stuff keep flying out the bag. Like, what's going on? Wow. We got a Telfar belt. And it's not for a femme, it's for me. What man you really see wearing a Telfar belt? I'm about to really bring shit into play, bro. Telfar, made in 2005. You youngins wasn't even around, bro. That wasn't even getting drippy in 2005. Yeah, I've been wearing a Versace belt that my brother gave me for like mad long, you feel me? Like for years. Shout out to my brother Brian. Love you, my boy. It's really my blood. I've been wearing that Versace belt for years. I felt like this Telfar belt was needed. Crazy. So I'm happy that I got my hands on this, and yeah, I'm about to be swagging this with every pair of pants, every pair of shorts, all of that. I'm wearing Jordans just so I can wear this belt. What I'm liking about this belt though, it got mad holes. Pause. But shout out Telfar for that belt. I love the packaging. The belt is fire, fit good, all of that. I see why the ladies go crazy for it. You know, maybe one day I'm gonna get a bag myself, feel me? Start that trend. Next one. So if you know me or knew me for a while, you know my favorite basketball player is James Harden. We both lefties, we both have the same birthday, both swaggy on and off the court type vibe, you feel me? So with this next pickup, I got these Hardens for some ball kicks, you know? It's like spring right now, so you know, it's like ball sesh season, you know? Like we be getting crazy in the gym, you know? If y'all really want the runs, let me know, bro. I'm really here for it. Y'all really can't guard me. And I swear, like, I'm not even joking. Like, you know, I be joking when I be talking like this, but I really am not joking right now. Y'all cannot guard me. Look at my Hardens. And I know a lot of y'all not gonna like them, but they're ball cakes, bro. What do you expect, bro? I got a black and white pair because, you know, it's gonna get dirty. But I mess with these, you know? I really do. Alright, for this next pickup, I gotta give a big shout out to my boy Dev. He got his brand called Saint Still Lives, you know? And I know like a lot of people always say they gonna support their friends, they gonna support their homies and stuff like that, but I really do that, you feel me? So shout out to my boy Dev. I had to pick up this hoodie that he just dropped. If y'all interested, I'm gonna put his Instagram right here so y'all could go cop. And I'm not even gonna gas my boy, you know? Like if it wasn't fire, I wouldn't have copped myself. You know that. Like y'all know I'm picky, bro. So if I'm really copping it, it's heat. So yeah, I'm about to get into it. So we got the spray it, don't say it hoodie. I'm about to put it on for y'all because I feel like it's not doing it justice. But y'all see the graphics so far, you know? And peep the details, bro. Peep the details. This is the shit I pay attention to. This is the shit that I love. And hold on, let me show y'all another detail that's fire on this before I put it on. 2.9 on her face. Like a face tat is hard. It's like I'm doing another fit check, you feel me? But look how good I look in this hoodie, bro. Look, bro. Come on. My boy Dev went stupid on this hoodie, bro. And look at this shit. It's cropped, you feel me? It's a cropped hoodie. Yeah. Details. Saint Still Lives. That's the name of his brand. Feel me? And the material, I'm telling you, my boy really went crazy. The material is so good on this shit, bro. Like, good quality. Like, it's worth every penny that I paid for this hoodie. Support y'all homies, bro. Stop being that friend that's gassing your homie up and not supporting. Support your homies. So shout out and salute Dev again. Alright, so for these next pickups, I'm about to show you how true I am to my word. Like, I don't sit here and lie to y'all. I don't gas y'all head. I'm really true to everything I say. Feel me? 2 pairs of Diadoras.
Any, many, money, more.
Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this one. So for the Diadora, oh shoot, we got a little other pickup in here. All right, so before we get to the Diadoras, I copped this tee from Foot Locker. Yo, y'all know my favorite color is, yeah, y'all already know by now. A nice pink looking vintage tee from Foot Locker, nice old Nike vibe, you feel me? I had to get it, you feel me? Everything was discounted at the time, so that pink tee was tough. I had to cop. But inside that box, you got a green, oh my, I just saw these again and just was like,
Damn, these is cold.
these are the N92, y'all can see. I love these, bro. What more could I say? I love these. And guess how much I got them for again? $35. I think I might have got them for a little less this time. These are so tough for $30. These are so, oh my, I love these. And for the next Diadora, oh my gosh, these is just so sexy, bro. Hold on, let me put them side by side. Which one y'all jacking? Let me know in the comments. I'm really about to put the whole world onto this Diadora wave. And just know, when it starts for real, y'all know who really was letting y'all know early. Thank you. But to the next pickup. Alright, so for this next pickup, everybody always knows I like to be cozy. I'm always wearing sweat. I'm always wearing some calm, loose track pants. I'm always cozy, you feel me? It's a lifestyle, you feel me? It's aiming out on me. I switched it up this time and got some denim. Yeah, me. I got denim. This brand is called Natural Habitat. I'm about to put y'all on. Yeah. Look at this. I'm all about artistic, like visionary stuff, you know? I love the details on this. You see the colors, but also look at the bottom of the pants. This is crazy to me. If I learn how to start doing this with pants, I swear I'm about to be the most dripped out. These go crazy. Thing is, like, I wear sweatpants and like track pants so much, I don't even know what to wear with these, you know? I really don't. But I love these pants. When I put it on, it's gonna be tough. For this next pickup, I needed a navy blue pair of sneakers. I was like, you know what? Why not just get something, you know, that look good, that's comfortable, and you know, I could just put on. I should know by the box what it is, though. You feel me? Oh, I got me some socks in here too, some Converse socks. Always re-up socks. Always re-up socks. Pro tip. Alright, so for these sneakers, I got the new. Why the laces like that? I got the New Balance 574. Y'all know how I feel about 574s. The most comfortable shoe on Lord, bro. On Lord. These sneakers are dumb comfortable. You know, I was on the fence of thinking about if I should return them or not, but I was just like, you know what? I could do no wrong with these sneakers. These is calm, you know? And I got them for another discount. Like, all of this I got for a discount, bro. Don't think I'm really like, you know, but y'all could think that if y'all want, man. I kind of like these. Now I'm looking back at it right now because I haven't looked at it since I bought them. I like them. I like that I bought these. I'm gonna do a lot of work with them in the summer too, so it's lit. Alright, for this next shoe, I am not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. I've been fiending for this shoe. Since they sent the tracking number, I've been watching it every day, seeing where it's at, feel me? So this sneaker right here, I'm so excited to see. I don't know what to expect. I think these either have the potential to be the greatest sneaker I have right now, or just like some shit I'm never gonna wear. So we about to get into that. Alright, feel me? Can't show my address, you know? Too many ops lurking. Got the box cutter out. I had to switch the angle up just to show y'all, you feel me? Because forget me right now. This is all about the sneaker. I know y'all never saw this box either, you feel me? NAF? What's that? Yeah, we about to see. Hold on. Okay. Woo! Butter. Nah. Yeah, these look better than what I thought they was gonna look like. These look way better than what I thought they was gonna look like. Do y'all see this? Look at the details. Look, please look. Oh my, details. Pay attention to them. Details. Pay attention. Oh my gosh. This is a clean shoe, bro. And the fit, oh my gosh. I already know what the fit. The fit's about to be insane with this. Oh my gosh. Yo. A lot of y'all might not be hip to this shoe, but there's a guy on Instagram named NAF. I've been following NAF since I was in high school, and he's always just been a fly guy to me, you know? So, you know, when he started to like transition into making sneakers, I kind of was like peeping for a minute. Then I seen that he was gaining more traction, because I'd be like wary to see if niggas is scammers and shit like that. But I started seeing like people post that they was getting them, and it was like 1 day shipping and stuff like that. So I'm like, let me see for myself. And I'm very much happy that I got this shoe right here, you know? Shout out to NAF, shout out his brand. This shoe is fire, and he got a lot of different colorways. So this is not the only option you could get. Like, there's different colorways. There's a white on white. Off the top of my head, I remember. I'm gonna put some shit right there for y'all to see, but he got more colorways. And I'm really not even trying to put y'all on, because I like to gatekeep. I ain't gonna cap, but y'all family, you feel me? Love is love. So I'm gonna share the knowledge, you know? What's knowledge if you're not gonna share it? I ain't gonna lie, I'm fake in love with these. I ain't gonna lie, I'm in love with myself. I'm in love with her. What am I doing? I'm about to learn.
That's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing about that.
Hey, I'm in love with this shoe. I loved everything I copped. I just want to thank y'all and tell y'all I love y'all for watching this whole video and staying with me. Love, pesos, and pesos to your existence, your life. Take care of your physical, your soul, your mental. I'm gonna catch y'all. Love. Yo, bro, why somebody made me buy this and forget it in my car? I should slap you with it now.
Just do what I do. That shit.